Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have essentials. Now start. Open a notebook and load a 1,000 row sample to validate schema and labels. Once done, install only the libraries you will use, Python 3. 10 plus, scikit-learn plus PyTorch or TensorFlow, so you avoid whole framework tutorials. Set a random seed, split the data 80/20, and scaffold a minimal model class or pipeline. This immediately surfaces shape or D-type issues. Make sure to document the input and expected output so you can skip straight to training. Now move into practical execution. Train a lightweight model, logistic regression, or a small CNN for an end-to-end sanity check. This demonstrates the full flow without tutorial detours. Once training runs, add vectorized preprocessing and 1/4 sized batches so iterations finish quickly. Run 3 short experiments: baseline with simple augmentation and 1 hyperparameter tweak such as learning rate or regularization. Compare metrics and logs immediately. When a run succeeds, you can expand complexity confidently and skip intermediate guided examples. To finish, scale to the full dataset and longer epochs only after validation is stable. Don't repeat tutorial pacing. Add checkpointing and concise logging, plus a recovery script to resume failed runs. This replaces guided checkpoint exercises. Run a final validation sweep and export the model. If something fails, first check tensor shapes and D-type mismatches, then confirm the learning rate is in a sane range. Often a simple batch size or D-type fix resolves errors quickly. Document 1 key fix for future skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.